Loom has been making waves as a go-to screen recording tool for teams, but is it really all it's cracked up to be? Today I'm diving into its features, usability, and whether it's worth your time and money. Loom allows users to record their screen, webcam, or both, making it an appealing choice for team collaboration and communication. The interface is clean and user-friendly, which is great for anyone, whether you're a tech whiz or a complete newbie. You can easily share videos via a simple link, and the platform integrates smoothly with tools like Slack and Google Workspace, which is definitely a plus for teams already using those services. However, while the core functionality is solid, there are some areas that feel a bit lacking. For instance, the editing options are quite basic. If you're looking to create polished videos with transitions or effects, you might find Loom a bit limiting. It's also worth noting that the free version has some restrictions, such as video length and storage, which could be frustrating for larger teams or those needing extensive video content. So, what are the pros and cons of Loom? On the upside, its ease of use and seamless sharing capabilities really stand out, making it a time saver for busy teams. The ability to provide visual feedback is invaluable, especially in remote work environments. On the downside, the lack of advanced editing features can be a deal breaker for some, especially if you're used to more robust video editing software. Additionally, some users have expressed concerns about the limitations of the free version, which might not be sufficient for more intensive use. Privacy is another point of contention. It's crucial for teams to ensure that sensitive information is handled properly when sharing videos. In conclusion, Loom is a solid choice for teams looking for a straightforward screen recording tool that enhances communication. However, if you need advanced editing features or have privacy concerns, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying out, especially if you can start with the free version to see if it fits your needs.